I guess the good segue here is to the we'll kind of finish it up with this our favorite segment, or at least I think it would be the one that is kind of in vogue in the Panther community right now. And are you ready to give us your ice up pick of the week?
I am ready.
All right, Joey.
My ice up pick of the week is going to the Carolina Panthers and their offensive line.
Oh, okay.
Their offensive line just left so much to be desired. That poor Cam Newton, they should have paid for him to go see a masseuse after the game because he was banged up. So I have this to say to the offensive line. Ice
Ice
up.
up. Good Lord, that's the truth. And I would have picked. There's so many to pick from. I really debated this one, and I had gone with. I've been flip flopping. But who is the guy on NFL Network that always does the interviews with the books behind them? The little, not NFL Network, ESPN, the little short guy. He looks.
John
Uh,
Clayton.
no, no, no. He's young, dark hair. He's the NFL
Oh,
insider. Gosh, I was gonna pick him because he kept going on and on about how the clock in the Patriots game was in favor of the Patriots and how there was 6 seconds. It's not Drew. It's not Drew Rosen. No, that's the agent. Gosh, I cannot think of his name. But that's why I didn't pick him because he's not. I can't remember his name. So I'm gonna have to go with the obvious one, and that is I'm going with Ted Ginn Jr. And I feel bad. I feel bad about this because my tweet of the week had to do with Ted Ginn Jr. And now my ice up pick of the week has to do with Ted Ginn Jr. But I've been on it. The guy has been released, or he's parted ways with two teams that we've played. We've played the Miami Dolphins this week, and he didn't show up. He fumbled, stumbled, and he struggled to rein in the pigskin. He did play well. He did play very well against San Francisco, but more so in the return game. And to his credit, he caught the game-winning touchdown against the New England Patriots, but he almost dropped it. And he was lucky he caught it, and he was lucky he got to the end zone. But thank God he's got that speed. But this is what I got to say to Ted Stonehand Ginn Jr. Ice up,
Ice up.
dude.